Pretty conclusive evidence there, folks.
You like that? That's okay, you can pick that one up then. Put it in there. Put it in there. Daddy, she wants that one.
Okay, you can have that one.
I don't like it. You don't have a spider.
Let's get it. Ha 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 ha.
No, but what's
Ooh, 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 ooh,
a peekaboo.
Boo. Good afternoon, good evening, boys and girls. It's a gloomy, rainy Monday here in Burton-on-Trent in the UK. So I thought I'd get into the Halloween spirit a bit and see if we can, well, as you can tell by the title, see if we can carve some pumpkins with the pressure washer. So here's our first subject. I've got them all set up nicely there, ready to go. We went and picked these yesterday, so I'll probably pop some clips into that. So we've got a nice bright orange one here, and then we've got the big mama over here. This giant white one, which I'll clean off as well before I try and carve it. So yeah, I've got a slightly little bit of a new setup here as well. So pressure washer's all set up there, and I've got this cool hose reel that I won at the window cleaning expo, which was really cool. So I've got this coming out into this thing because I thought it might be a bit difficult me trying to do it with a long lance. So I've got this on the go. So it's handheld trigger with the quad jet on the end. So I should be able to get up nice and close and try and do some very detailed carving if I can. So without further ado, I've got the audience waiting over there. Yeah, let's get started. Nice one. Okay, perhaps the holding it on a trigger that close is not the best idea. It's just blown straight back into my face. I can't see what I'm doing at all. Try not to fog up this lens too much. So I was thinking, because I'm just going straight in, it's just firing it straight back out. So I tried to start cutting a hole in the top. It's just like, I just couldn't see what I was doing. I'm gonna get a knife, I'm gonna cut the top off and see if that makes a difference. What do you guys think? It's a bit hey you guys, isn't it? But there you go. I mean, I'm not even using halfway up on the pressure on my pressure washer. The valve is like literally halfway down. I don't want to go any harder because I feel like one of these chunks is just going to come up and smack me in the face. But yeah, I'll leave the first one at that for a minute. I might actually just destroy him in a minute with the turbo nozzle also. But yeah, actually, you know what? Should we do that now? Let's just destroy him, shall we? Now, I don't recommend using a turbo nozzle on just a trigger like this, but we'll do the next one properly. This one will just destroy because next time on the bigger one I'll cut the top off to begin with, and then we'll try and carve it properly. We'll just see. I'll turn this up to full power and we'll see how quickly we can shred through this. Pretty conclusive evidence there, folks. I don't know what the point of that was, but there we go. Let's have a look at it. So yeah, it didn't take long at all before that was completely and utterly destroyed. This isn't actually my garden, so I've got to do a lot of cleaning up now, and then I'm going to start the next one. So I'll cut the top off that one, I'll carve it out in the middle, and then I'll try and do that one really nicely. Right then folks, hope you enjoyed that. A little bit of fun, wasn't it? Again, something different from the normal videos on the channel. So there he is, there's our finished product. Not too bad, you know what I mean? I'm actually quite happy with that, that's alright. It's probably better than I could do with a knife, to be honest. So yeah, there you go. And it only took about 5 minutes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I've got a very special video coming out within the next few days. So be on the lookout for that one. It will be titled something along those lines as well. I'm not sure what the title will be. So I'd appreciate if you check that video out, because there's going to be a fundraiser in that video. And I am an absolute mess, and I look at the state of me. And also yesterday I went to look at probably what is going to be the coolest pressure washing YouTube video so far on YouTube, not including my channel, including any channel that exists that I've found anyway. I've done my research, Nobody has done anything like this before. So that, I don't know when that video is going to be shot. I haven't done the job yet, but hopefully within the next few weeks. I mean, as soon as it comes up on your feed, you guys will know this is the one that I was talking about. Holy moly, it's going to be amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, everybody. Stay tuned for some more. I think I'm on like 67,600 subscribers at the moment. So I'm really trying to push for 70 before Christmas, which would be awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that normal stuff. And I'll catch you in a video very soon. And happy Halloween to everybody. It's not yet, but happy Halloween for when it is. Nice one.